Welcome to Brett Property Maintenance and Building. This is my next project. This little shower room is in desperate need of some renovation, and I'm going to turn it into a nice little bathroom. On this wall here we're going to have a little sink pedestal. The shower's going, so I'll be getting rid of all that. That little sink will be gone, and where the sink is at the moment there'll be a bath running along this wall underneath the window. This here contains a cast iron soil stack which unfortunately protrudes and dominates into the corner of the room, so my plan is to build a little partition stud wall across here, finishing about there. And then I'll put inside the wall all the plumbing for the thermostatic mixer bar, and the bath will butt up to the stud wall, and it will be a shower as well. The toilet will be in the same location. Where the radiator is at the moment, that will be moved along to about here, and we'll have a nice little chrome towel rail. The floor is going to be plywooded over and tiled, and the walls will be fully tiled up to the ceiling line. The nice new ceiling being put in with lovely spotlights and an extractor fan, and I'll take some photographs as the project progresses, and also a little video when I'm finished, which I hope to be in about 7 to 8 days. So, over and out for now.
When I close my eyes, I hear you singing me a song that I'll forget, I always forget. I try to trick myself back to sleeping. You pick me up, but I let you down. It was so clear, but now it's gone. I couldn't keep my eyelids shut. Why can't you stay? If only I could dream we could start again.
Simply will have a silicone joint rather than a grout joint, and it's easily removable so that you can get to the waste, and simply it's designed just a slotting position of silicone plasterboard onto the back. So all we do is put in position, and then I'll silicone along the bottom and make a silicone joint.
If only I could dream we could start again. If only I could dream we could start again.